So hello guys, today I'm explaining how I make my YouTube videos. I'm going to go through the gear, how I set it up, and what I use it for what effect. So let's start simply off at the camera. I use a Panasonic Lumix GH5, which is awesome 4K quality. It looks superb. You can also mount great lenses to it. I'm currently using the 16mm 1.4 lens by Sigma, which is coming really handy. It gives a nice wide angle, but also gives some nice background blur. I normally use about f2 to keep the sharpness. So I do love prime lenses. This is currently a prime lens. Prime lens means you can't zoom, it's got a fixed aperture. And I use a couple other lenses like the 25mm 1.7 and 42.5mm 1.7, which have amazing background blur. There's a video coming soon on the different lenses I use on this channel. And on top I have a Rode Video Micro, which sounds quite nice to be honest, with a small form factor. This is what you're listening to now. I use it quite a lot. It's a great vlog you might just have and go out with, or just for a setup like this. Let's bring it down towards the tripod. I use a Manfrotto 190X. It's a ridiculously expensive tripod, about £300–400. It has a stunning fluid head on it to have its nice smooth pans for B-roll. And it is quite sturdy. I've had it for 3 years and it hasn't broken on me, so I would kind of recommend this one. I'll drop links to everything down below in the description. So for lighting, I normally use two softboxes, but for this shot I have a window on that side of me and a softbox on that side. Softboxes are really nice diffuse lights. These are just really cheap ones off Amazon, which are coming really handy on my YouTube career and doing videography in my real life. So I'm not just bouncing off, so I'm currently bouncing off the wall, back onto my face, lights that side up even with that side. And then sometimes you need to mix things up. So I use the Lumix G7 over here, just a B camera, it does 4K, looks quite nice, you can just chuck it anywhere, it's such a small, nice, handy camera to have. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video and me explaining how I film these videos for YouTube. And join me on Friday with a video how I edit these videos and put them on my channel. That's going to be interesting because I'm using multiple cameras in this video to make that video a bit more interesting. See you on Friday guys.